Welcome to Unity Supervisor Contact Center. In this video, we'll introduce the interface and show you how to manage queues and agents. At the top, you have your call control buttons. These help you answer and manage incoming calls, making it really easy to transfer and conference as required. On the left, you have Unavailable, Available and Wrap-Up ACD State buttons. These govern your availability for incoming calls. Below that is your personal wallboard. This will show the queues you are an agent or supervisor of and summary statistics. My Statistics on the left will show your call and conversation stats for today. On the right-hand side, you can see overall queue statistics. If the queue icon is grey and My Statistics is blank, it means you're assigned as a supervisor of the contact center, but not as an agent, so you can manage the queue but cannot answer calls directly. If the queue icon is red, you are not joined to the queue. To be able to receive calls, you must be joined. Just right-click and select Join. And your ACD state must be set to Available. You also cannot be in Do Not Disturb. You will be offered conversations on your media streams regardless of your ACD status, as long as you are joined to the queue. In this example, I'm assigned as an agent and supervisor to the 2 call center queues and 1 omni-channel queue. You do have the option to combine all your voice and other media traffic into 1 queue. The active call window will show all calls and conversations that are currently queued and live with agents. Clicking into a live web chat will allow you to silently observe conversations in real time without the agent or customer knowing, which is ideal for training scenarios. The contact panel at the bottom shows up to 30 colleagues and their engaged or free status. As a supervisor, you will mostly use the Agent Activity tab. This lets you select agents or queues to manage contact center resources as queue conditions require. If you right-click agents, you can join or leave them from the queue or change their ACD state. Here you can also force all agents into a queue, perhaps because there are many calls or conversations waiting, and then notify them by instant message. Working together, the Personal Wallboard and Agent Activity tab allow you to visualize incoming traffic and make changes as required. This is how Unity Supervisor Contact Center enables you to react to incoming traffic flows so you can maximize customer service.